Oh my goodness, get ready to be blown away by the incredible power of fermented foods and drinks. These little wonders are not only delicious, but also fantastic for your digestion and overall health.
1. Tangy kimchi. This Korean superstar is bursting with flavors and loaded with probiotics that promote gut health. Say hello to a happier tummy and an explosion of taste buds.
2. Creamy yogurt. Oh, the velvety goodness of yogurt. Packed with live cultures, it's a scrumptious way to maintain a balanced gut and boost your immune system.
3. Refreshing kombucha. Sip your way to vitality with this fizzy, probiotic-rich tea. It's like a party in your mouth with every sip, and your digestive system will thank you.
4. Zesty sauerkraut. Get ready for a sauerkraut sensation. This tangy delight is chock full of probiotics that support your digestive health and make your taste buds dance with joy.
5. Glorious miso. A bowl of miso soup is like a warm hug for your stomach. Packed with enzymes and nutrients, miso supports digestion and adds a punch of umami to any dish.
6. Fantastic fermented pickles. Crunch your way to better digestion with these zesty pickles. Packed with probiotics and vitamins, they're a tangy and wholesome treat. 7. Probiotic-rich tempeh. Move over boring proteins. Tempeh is here to save the day with its nutty taste and gut-loving probiotics. Prepare for a culinary adventure.
8. Cheerful kvass. This vibrant drink will put a smile on your face. Kvass, a fermented beverage, is not only delicious, but also aids digestion and promotes a happy, healthy gut.
'So, get ready to embark on a tasty journey to better digestion and vibrant health with these 8 amazing fermented foods and drinks. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds will have a celebration of their own.